In this video, you'll learn how to sell video courses on Stan Store. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to create and publish an e-course effectively on the platform, ensuring you reach your audience with the content you want to share. Start by navigating to your Stan Store dashboard. Look for the option labeled My Store in the main menu. Once you click on My Store, you will see an overview of your store's current products and settings. Next, locate the button marked Plus Add Product. This button is typically found near the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt a new window to appear, presenting various product options for you to choose from. Select the option for a course. This will direct you to the course creation interface where you can begin entering details about your video course. You will notice fields for the course name, description, pricing, and file uploads. Enter the course name in the designated field. For example, you can type Complete Video Editing Course. This name will help potential students recognize the focus of your course at a glance. After naming your course, move on to the description section. Here you should highlight what the course teaches, who it's for, and what's included, such as lessons, videos, and resources. This information is essential for attracting the right audience and providing clarity about the course content. Once you've composed the description, proceed to set the price for your course. Think about your target audience and the value of the content you're providing. Ensure the price reflects the quality and depth of the material offered. Now, it is time to upload your video lessons and any course materials like PDFs or worksheets. Look for the upload section where you can drag and drop files or click to browse your computer. Keep in mind that larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed, so be patient while the files are processed. Once all your materials are uploaded, review everything to ensure all details are correct. After confirming that everything appears as intended, click the Publish button. This will make your course live and available for purchase on your Stan Store. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.